I received a mystery craft supply box from what I assume is one of my viewers. I kind of peeked inside and was like, okay, I need to record this. And I have no idea if there's a note or anything because I got about this far and was like, oh my gosh, I need to see what's in here and I need to figure out where it came from. Oh my gosh, it's getting stuck. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna fix this so the glare isn't too bad, but let's get everything kind of out on the table. Wow, this thing is heavy. They paid like almost $20 just to ship this to us. Oh, look, there's a note. No, it's not. I got so excited. I thought that was a note. It says frame Flora dies. Oh my gosh, this is all scrapbooking and paper crafting, stamps and dies. This is literally a dream come true. Whoever sent this, I hope there's a letter in here. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, this fell off of something. Okay, I'm getting too excited here. Let's take a step back and calm down. All right. That looks like maybe it's a cute little princess in a castle. Okay, we gotta find out what this came from. It slid out of something when I opened the box. We have a cling stamp set. You're so totally awesome. Happy birthday, and your strength is an inspiration. That's really cute. There is also this by Gina K Designs. Not familiar with that one. These are super pretty flowers though. Nice little sentiments as well. This is from the same brand. I love this heart. Look how gorgeous that is with all of like the florals and berries poking out. What a nice little set. So it looks like some of these do have the dies as well. If you're wondering what the heck a die is, I did recently do a video explaining, but basically it's just cutting out shapes from paper using these little metal, I don't know, you can think of them as like stencils or little cutters, and they coincide with stamps sometimes, which makes them even better. I don't know exactly how that would lay on there, but you figure it out and you cut it out, and oh, it's probably laying the wrong way, and they end up just being these cute little paper elements that you color in, or you could watercolor, or you could just leave them how they are. Use pretty different papers for them. I am so freaking excited. We have another stamp set here from Stamping Up with some really pretty flowers and a happy anniversary sentiment. There is, oh my gosh, I need to know who sent this. I love florals so much. What an incredible gift. Absolutely shocked. A rainbow. I love rainbows. That one's from Simon Says Stamp. We have a horse and sleigh here as well, wishing you a season of cheer. Some more pretty flowers from Stamping Up, or some leaves, I should say. The dies are in here as well. That's so freaking cool. Oh my gosh. You've got to be kidding me. Look how cute those are. These are going to make the best greeting cards ever. We have some more florals here. The Delicate Dahlias. Beautifully Happy. Ooh, that one's really nice. I like stamping some of like the bigger ones and then watercoloring them in. Otherwise, I just use, oh my gosh, like markers, like alcohol markers. This Gina K, I need to know more about this brand because wow, look at this. You can have like little woodland creatures coming out from a tree. There's even the little paws. You can have like their little paw poking out. There's two. Okay, wow. Well, looks like one has the dies and one doesn't. Obviously, I'm going to keep some of this for making cards and making videos, and obviously I'm going to put some in our store for sale as well. So definitely keep an eye out. If you're local, the Facebook photos will be where you will see things as they filter into our store. We're doing this new really cool thing called the bin of the day. So anything that I'm kind of unbinning from our viral series of opening an entire craft collection from an 80-year-old crafter who literally had to give up everything to move. As we unbin those on these videos, we have a special table that we put them in our store for the following 2 days. And we're also going to be putting some of the new stuff as well so that it's easier to find. And then anything that doesn't sell in the shop or that generally we just think will do better on eBay is going to end up on our eBay store. So keep an eye out there. Oh my gosh, there's links for everything in on our website, bottomofthebin.com. What does this go inside? Oh, does this? Yes, it's the, oh my gosh, it's the bodies. It's the bodies. It's the bodies. No. I've never seen anything so cool. I've never seen anything so cool. And owls. Okay, I'm obsessed with owls. My friend, it's your day. Hoot hoot, you're so cute. And my favorite owl line. I will always love you forever. This must be where this flew out of. I don't know if the stamps are in here as well. No, I feel other dies. What is this one? So not all dies come with matching stamps, and obviously not all stamps come with matching dies. So this must be just a set. Oh, so this is for like frames and different things. Look at the cute little heart. How precious. We have some little Christmas ones. You're such a bright light. You light up my life. You have the best ideas. You are brilliant. And what's up? Okay, come on, come on. Gotta love a good pun. Stuck on you, little cacti stamp set. This one is so cute. Oh, look, best friends forever, and it's got little card stamp. Wait, how cute would that be to like stamp on the back of your cards with a little, you know, thank you or made by, a little made by stamp with it. Absolutely love that. This is seriously better than Christmas. Oh, okay, there's some cute little houses and winter scenes. We have some more beautiful flowers from Gina K. And oh, definitely, I've got to keep the sweet treats. I'm obsessed with like the sweet stuff. I have some really pretty paper and stamps for cupcakes and cakes and just the cutest little things like cherries. And this is a fun set because it looks like you can kind of like put the lid on separately from the bottom, so you could have like the pie on there and kind of have the lid on the side or kind of turned over. It looks like this one got used, got lots of love already. I can see why. Some flowers, more beautiful flowers, and the Simon Says Stamp lemon zest die. That's got to be super cute. Oh, it is. That's really cute. So you've got like the lemon. I don't know what that is. The stem, maybe the seeds, and the little flower that goes on top. That's super cool. I love lemons. They're so cute. I'm not quite sure. I'm not like super familiar with like how all dies work, but they're lots of fun to play around with. That's for sure. Look at the little hippest hippos. Love you a ton. You're always on point. You're so hip. Oh my gosh. Precious. Is that the stamp and the die? I hope there's both. Oh my gosh. Both are in here and I am absolutely in love. Okay, wait. I rearranged all of this because I found a letter in here. It was hidden deep inside. I felt like there had to be something in here. And it is from Denise. I'm hiding some of it to hide personal information. And apparently we did talk on Instagram and I just forgot. She said, I have way too many stamps for my small space. I appreciate you accepting them. As I said, I'm happy to know someone will make use of them. Denise, thank you so much. What an incredible, thoughtful thing to do. I can't wait to see what else is in here. I'm already so freaking excited. I'm gonna keep a couple for myself so I can make some beautiful cards to sell in the shop and make some videos for all of you lovely people watching, and the rest will be for sale at Bottom of the Bin. Again, if you're local here to Tampa Bay, Florida, you can come visit us. We're a little bit closer to St. Petersburg, Florida, and we'll post photos of the stuff as it hits the sales floor. If you're not local, you can actually visit our eBay shop. Although most of this won't be available on there right away, we do have hundreds of listings. We're adding stuff all the time, and you can find that link directly on our website, bottomofthebin.com. This is super cute. There's some hippos here and little sheep and a horse and a bunch of different little parts and pieces so you can put it all together. How freaking adorable. We have Simon Says Stamp, which always has really beautiful sets. There is a party set here that says Let's Celebrate, Time to Party, and has the balloons. seascape. Oh my gosh, I love anything from the ocean, anything to do with water. The coral and the little fishies are so freaking adorable. There are some seasons greetings stamps here, beautiful Christmas ones with the matching dies, and Eden's Garden. I love this, really pretty flowers there. And here as well, here's some more of the Gina K. Oh, this is really great. This has a bunch of different like titles, I guess, like mother, daughter, niece. You can mix and match words like great and step and god, so like my godson or my goddaughter. What a great set for anyone who does card making. This just kind of sets you up to be able to make custom cards for pretty much anybody. There's also a Halloween themed one, it looks like. Happy Thanksgiving, happy fall. It's got little pumpkin scarecrow and ooh, a little jack-o'-lantern. Very fun. Is that a witch's hat? I love that one. That's really cool. There is a Through the Woods Merry Christmas die set here. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting like a layering stamp. I've been wanting to play with one for a while now. I think I found a butterfly one in one of the other bins, but this one right here also has a beautiful butterfly that you can create by like layering different colors. And it says layering, oh my gosh, wait, it has the stencils and the dies too. Okay, this is like exactly what I've been looking for. How freaking adorable. I can't wait to play with this one and make some beautiful cards. If y'all don't know, if you're new here, you haven't been watching our series, our unbinning series, I've been talking a lot about butterflies and how they're a sign from my mom in heaven. She did have a butterfly tattooed on her, so every time I see them, I think of her, and I know that it's her looking down and sending well wishes to me. This is too incredible. I'm absolutely flabbergasted and grateful. Oh, that is so pretty. It's got the happy birthday, the love and hugs, and look how cute that hello there stamp is. Holly Jolly Mary. Oh, okay. This is really special. I love this. I love rainbows and unicorns and kitties and everything like that. And this says, we go together like unicorns and glitter. You were created to be you. You are straight up magic. Thank you for believing in me, and you're a limited edition. There are 2 little girls with unicorn horns, as well as some pets and a kitty with a horn as well. I can already see a beautiful, magical, glittery rainbow greeting card made from these. I can't wait to play with those. Oh my gosh! I said I don't really like Christmas crafting too much, but these cute little gingerbread houses are absolutely fun. I bet those would make such a beautiful card together as well. And look, this is the one from that first die set that we found. There's the polar bear and the little castle and the princesses. That is also an incredible set as well. Friendship is like a warm hug on a frosty day. Thinking of being with you brings a smile to my face, and I have more fun when I'm with you. These are all so incredible. Seriously, thank you so much, Denise. That was very thoughtful of you. Thank you for thinking of us. And for everyone who I've met through this series so far and through all the videos we've been creating, I am just so overwhelmed by the love and support. Thank you for all the support in the comments. I'm building a community that I'm so proud of and so happy to be a part of. And I can't wait to see where this goes and what friends we make and what crafts we do together. And stay tuned for a ton more videos of the unbinning series, and of course me creating things like greeting cards and journals and watercoloring. I'm just so happy to meet you all, and thank you so much for commenting and thinking of us and sending messages. It just really means a lot. Don't forget to follow or subscribe so that you don't miss the next video.